The European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope has taken the first ever image of a young sun-like star, accompanied by two giant exoplanets. Images of systems with multiple exoplanets are extremely rare, and until now, astronomers had never directly observed more than one planet orbiting a star similar to the Sun. The observations can help astronomers understand how planets formed and evolved around our own Sun. Just a few weeks ago, ESO revealed a planetary system being born in a new stunning VLT image. Now, the same telescope, using the same instruments, has provided the first direct image of a planetary system around a star like our Sun, located about 300 light years away, known as TYC 8998761. This discovery is a snapshot of an environment that is very similar to our solar system, but at a much earlier stage of its evolution. Even though astronomers have directly detected thousands of planets in our galaxy, only a tiny fraction of these exoplanets have been directly imaged. Direct observations are important in the search for environments that can support life. The direct imaging of two or more exoplanets around the same star is even more rare. Only two such systems have been directly observed so far, both around stars marked different from our Sun. The new ESO's image is the first direct image of more than one exoplanet around a Sun-like star. ESO's VLT was also the first telescope to directly image an exoplanet in 2004, and when it captured a speck of light around a brown dwarf, a type of faint star. The team has now been able to make the first image of two gas giant companions that are orbiting a young solar analog. Of course, the two planets can be seen with the new image as two bright points of light distant from their parent star, which is located in the upper left of the frame. By taking different images at different times, the team was able to distinguish these planets from the background stars. The two gas giants orbit their host star at distances of 160 and about 320 times the Earth-Sun distance. This places these planets much farther away from their star than Jupiter or Saturn, also two large gas giants, as they are from the Sun. They lie at 5 and 10 times the Earth-Sun distance respectively. The team also found that the two exoplanets are much heavier than the ones in our solar system, the inner planet having 14 times Jupiter's mass, and the outer one being 6 times larger than Jupiter. The team imaged this system during their search for young giant planets around stars like our Sun, but far younger. The star TYC 8998761 is just 17 million years old and located in the southern constellation of Musca, or the Fly. It is described as a very young version of our Sun. The images were possibly given to the high performance of the Sphere instrument on ESO's VLT in the Chilean Atacama Desert. Sphere blocks the bright light from the star using a device called a coronagraph, allowing the much fainter planets to be seen. While older planets such as those in our solar system are too cool to be found with this technique, young planets are hotter, and so they glow brighter in infrared light. By taking several images over the past years, as well as using older data going back to 2017, the research team confirmed that the two planets are part of the star's system. More observations of the system, including with the future ESO Extremely Large Telescope will enable astronomers to test whether these planets formed at their current location distant from the star, or if they migrated from elsewhere. ESO's ELT will also help probe the interaction between the two young planets in the same system. The possibility that future instruments such as these available on the ELT will be able to detect even lower mass planets around this star, and this will mark an important milestone in understanding multi-planet systems with potential implications for the history of our solar system. As time goes by and as we develop and use more technologically advanced instruments to look into space, we will be gaining more knowledge and we will begin to understand more about not just our solar system, but other solar systems similar to ours. We'll also be able to look at stars closer. We'll also be able to observe other multi-planet systems and also look at their stars, look at their planets, and be able to fully observe distant galaxies. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy.